Hi there and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sherry. Today I have a Magic at Your Door unboxing. This is my October box, hence the Haunted Mansion ears to go along with the whole October theme. Now this is the bronze box. It was, I just pulled it up because I couldn't remember how much it was, $84.98 including shipping. And I think it's funny, like there's no like Mickey or whatever on there. There's nothing there. It's just kind of plain. Is that because it's like October and it's supposed to be a ghost? I don't know. Anyway, I pre-opened it, or I pre-cut it, so let's see what's inside. So the first thing that I see is this little sheet that's just kind of the informational sheet. It says you can order directly from the Magic at Your Door store. They have a ton of Loungefly backpacks. And then the price guide for the items. Let's see, November, December, Christmas update. This year we'll be including ornaments and other Christmas related merchandise in the November box shipments. December box shipments will not include Christmas merchandise. It says if you're interested in a Christmas themed magic box, our limited edition 2020 Disney Christmas Magic Box is now available at Magic at Your Door. How to request a specific product, which is on your wish list, which I think is super important. And then review your account preferences, which I update quite frequently. Okay, so here is what you see, and it's all, you know, black and orange and silver and white for Halloween. The first thing I see, oh, these are cute. These, I believe, oh, these are push pens. Oh, I don't have a push board. Oh, actually, I do have a push board now that I think about it. So these are, it looks like official like Disney merchandise, I believe, because it does have a price tag that looks like the Disney price tags, and they were $9.95. So the little push pens, I know I'm getting the glare there. There are bows. There is pink, yellow, and red, and then it looks like a little flower, like the little flower on Minnie's bow or head, on her hat. The same kind of colors there. So those are super cute. I have a little push board in our laundry room right as you walk out into the garage. And so I think those will be cute. The next item, what is this? Oh, this is huge. Okay, this is a Notepad Set. And this is official Disney Parks merchandise. It was $12.99, and I think these might be, yeah, these are like Post-it notes. So there's a little, is that a balloon or just a little heart? And then it looks like a little cutout of Mickey. This one's cute. It just has a bunch of Mickeys and a heart. And then these are like the, there's 4 different like tabs, you know, like half of it's sticky and then you kind of tab it over. These are great for me. If you don't know, I'm a travel agent, and so I send a lot of things to clients, and so I love these kind of like paper and office products that are themed because I actually get to use them, and I don't always like think to order them, so it's always nice to have them and reach for them. Okay, the next item is, oh, I'm really excited about this. I don't have this. I have seen this many times. I've had my eye on it. This is Madame Liotta, and this is just a clear pouch, and the price is $19.99. Oh, that's cute. It has, this is the little pull tab has a little heart. But I love these kind of pouches. I use them quite frequently. I travel a lot, and so they're great for travel, but I also just use them in my purse, and that matches my ears, and I'm really excited about this. I love Haunted Mansion. It's my husband's favorite ride, but I love Madame Liotta, so that is going to get a lot of use. I'm really happy about that. And it's a good size. It's about the size of my hand, but this would actually work really well in my purse as well. The other thing about it being clear that I like is that, well, right now you don't have your bag searched at the parks, but you go through the metal detector, and if you do have to kind of get searched or whatever, I like this because it's a clear pouch. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't know if there's, oh, there is. I think there's one more thing, yeah. One more thing, and that is in here. And I think it's an Alex and Ani bracelet, judging from the back of it. Let's see, it is an Alex and Ani bracelet. Oh, it's that. Is that the Hatbox Ghost? It is the Hatbox Ghost. I don't have this one. Here, let me take it out so you can see it a little bit better. This is the brushed gold which I love, and it is the Hatbox Ghost. Can you see him? And then on the back side, it says 50 years of happy haunts. I am super excited about this bracelet. I just said how much I love Haunted Mansion, and I don't own this bracelet, so it's kind of exciting to get this and to kind of get a themed box. I don't think it was like super themed, but the fact that I got 2 Haunted Mansion items, and I'm actually wearing my mini main attraction Haunted Mansion ears for the month of October, so I'm really excited with that. So let me add up the items that I received and we'll take a look at the value. Okay, so to go over the prices again, the pens were $9.95, the sticky notes were $12.99, the Madame Liotta pouch was $19.99, and the Alex and Ani Hatbox Ghost bracelet was $49.99. So the value came out to $92.92, and while I do know that some of these items, particularly like these 2 items, are probably at the outlet, that's okay, because I don't have an outlet near me, and that means that they're on their way out, and I didn't get them, so I'm really okay with that. Now, I paid $84.98 for my box, so I definitely think that I got my value out of it. The thing that I'm really loving about Magic at Your Door is that they are listening to my preferences. I do update my preferences monthly, but they're listening to the items that I want, and they're sending me items that I would purchase. Now, would I purchase this? Yes. Would I purchase the bracelet? Yes. Would I purchase the Post-it notes? Maybe. I probably maybe wouldn't, because they're kind of heavy and I wouldn't want to like carry them back with me. But if I had an outlet near me, or if I had Disney near me, I would definitely purchase them. The push pens I probably wouldn't purchase, but I will definitely get use out of them on my little push pen board in my laundry room. So tell me in the comments below which item that I received is your favorite, and do you think I got my value out of this box? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!